afternoon actually, it's not even morning. Down the garage again, working on the Golf. I'm just, let me flip the camera around, I'll show you. Just welded up that hole there. That was where the main rust was. Found a few more bits of rust that was there, and I think, where's it gone? Around here somewhere. I've sanded it all back, sanded the complete boot lid and smoothed it out where I need to. What I'm going to do now is grind this back, get it all nice and smooth, filler, and then maybe if we're lucky, get a coat of primer on this bad boy boot today. But we'll see where we're at. Let's get this sanded back, and yeah, we'll see where we're at when we've done that. So you can see I've welded it up, I've grounded it back. I just need to make it a bit more flatter because it's got like a big lump in it at the moment. But yeah, that's it all welded up. These ones are actually for the holes on this, so they go in, where does it go? I can't even remember where it goes. They go in like that. So these holes I'm actually going to have to keep and then see what I can do with it. But yeah, look how dirty that is. But yeah, let me grind that back a bit more and then we can filler it, and then hopefully, maybe, if we're lucky, primer it today. So, let me clean this bad boy. We have finally got the whole boot lid sanded down, fillered. It's all nice and smooth. Where all the rust was, that's where that hole was right there. You can see it's all nice and smooth. We've got those little bits of rust I found up here, all nice and smooth. So what we're literally going to do now, I've wiped it down with some solvent cleaner to get rid of the all the shit on it. This little grab handle I've sanded as well. So all we're going to do now is tape up this big window. I'll stick some paper over it, maybe some cardboard if see what I've got, and then give it a hit of a light dusting of primer just to see where the high and the low spots are. Sand back the primer, and yeah, let's get a coat of primer on this boot lid. So we've got the paint here. I put a coffee filter inside the paint gun. I'm going to pour the paint in while holding it because this paint's been sitting a while and I don't know how good it is, so I'm just going to see if any lumps come out. If any lumps come out, then obviously this paint's ruined because it's been sitting. Obviously the standard 10% to whatever paint you're using. So I've got about 450ml in here, 400 of the actual primer and about 40ml, 50ml of the thinners. Just give it a nice good stir, then I'm going to pour it in there and then spray it on those bits. So yeah, I'm going to try and record as much as I can on this bit, and yeah, let's get it. So like I said, got the primer here. Where can I put that? Just going to pour it in. And then let it sit. Alright, as you can see, I look an absolute mess because it's so musty and dusty. But that is the boot and the little handle all primed. It's only the first coat of primer because I can't get the gun to work, so I had to use an aerosol. But you can see bits like there where we need to address. This is why we do, let me take this mask off. This is why we do primer first, because with primer you can see where all your little shit bits are. There is where it dripped, which really annoyed me. You can see where all your little shit bits are like that. That needs to be addressed. All the other corners and bits like that are absolutely fine. Over here is fine. Obviously it's going to look nice while it's wet. I need to wait for it to dry. But yeah, we got a nice run there. Obviously that will come out. This is all primed. But I'm just going to leave it to dry now. Probably. Oh, it's so dirty in here. I don't know why the gun isn't working. Can anyone explain this to me? It's coming out of there. Obviously when I've got the nozzle on, which is down there. But it's like dripping. It's not actually pushing any paint through. So that's annoying. So I've mixed up all this paint. But yeah, at least it's all primed up. You just need to, when it's dry, sand it back. And yeah, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. We've got a primed bumper, or boot lid rather. But yeah, that was long. So I'm going to let it dry now, see what it looks like when it's dry, see if we can start sanding it back a little bit more, see where we need to fill, because obviously that bit's crap there. It is going to be covered by that, but if we can get it sorted in the priming stage, then it'd be a lot better. But yeah, we got one more. Thank you for watching. Obviously I'm a mess. Oh, let me get this off. I'm a mess. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, yeah, please remember to like, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Adios.